everyone. This is K2K Academy. It's been a long time. Um, um, been dealing with exams, um, issues of school, but yeah, we're back. We're back. Um, I haven't been funding. I haven't been trading. I've been I've been looking at the market to see what happens. Um, Missed on a lot of good opportunities here and there, but I was not fully immersed into looking at the market because of school. So just got done with my exams, and yeah, now we're back on. You know, so I'm not gonna waste anybody's time. The goal is to document my journey into becoming a multi-millionaire forex trader. So yeah, let me just get to it. I just want to make this video very short and straightforward. So right here we're looking at gold. Um, I'm looking for buys on gold based of this ideal market structure. It's very much straightforward. It's a high, high low, high low, high, possible high low. So this is the area where we're looking for buys. So for my high, that's my anticipation on gold. Um, and the reason I wrote this right here, buy from the weekly candle to the swing is because I'm waiting for next week, for the next weekly candlestick to open and do something like this, right? To push. So I'm waiting for something like this to happen from the weekly candlestick. So I'm waiting for the candlestick to do this, leave a week to the downside. It's not one is not doing that, it's doing some funny stuff. So I'm waiting for price to kind of like live a week around this area. Yeah, I just wanted to do that. So I'm waiting for a week, a Judas swing of a weekly candlestick, so I can look for buys to the upside. You know, based of this um order block here, this weekly order block. So we pushed, we're waiting for a retest for us to buy, and if you can see from a weekly time frame, this area is a strong level of resistance, um, you know, according to how the table see it. So this is a strong level. You see this candlestick bounced, came back, this one bounced, there was a week, but it closed below. This one closed below, this one closed below, this one closed below. It went up, closed above, but it didn't push. And so there's a lot of rejection from this area, as you see. So I'm also waiting for the next week's candlestick to reject from this area to go up, and the target will be this highs, you know, for for uh, for gold. So there's a lot of supporting factors on this trade, the rejections, the weekly order block, um, this daily order block on its own. Um, it's an area where we're waiting for a high low to be formed, for a high to be formed. So the only thing that right now we are waiting for is an entry signal. It's the same way we got an entry signal here, or probably would have got an entry signal here or here. That's what we're waiting for. So we're waiting for price to start being bullish, to form 4 hour high lows, high lows, so that we can take the trade just like that on gold. So that's what I'm waiting for. Because this is still bearish, this is still low high, low high, low, possible lower high. This might go down. This might fail to go down, but I need to see some bullishness in price. Some 4 hour break of structure, bullish break of structure, so that we can look for buys. The same way we got these buys, we would have looked for buys like this around this area. So that's the trade that I'm waiting for. I think I'm gonna fund an account if this trade plays out in accordance to what I want to see. So we'll see how this plays out for next week. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.